feel good? Yeah. Don't it feel good? Yeah, come on.
When you put in work all week, stressed out, but you didn't quit, no. When you get paid on Friday, going to the club to get lit, yeah. Ladies, when you get to unwind, take some me time with a little glass of wine. When your man got your bath water ready to relax your body and relax your mind. What you know about walking on the beach?
Hollywood Rio, coming at you about the 1986 Buick Regal that I'm building. I'm doing an LS swap on it for a friend of mine, Daryl. Pretty much I'm on the way now to go and pick the engine up from the engine shop. Guys called me this morning and told me it was all ready and all set to go. I was actually expecting it this coming Friday, but hey, that'll work. So pretty much the motor, we started off with the 6.0 motor. It came out of a 06 Yukon Denali. When going into the motor, everything checked out except cam bearings. I'll try to, insert, a small video clip of what they look like inside this video. But the cam bearings were shot. Upon looking to do new cam bearings, I didn't discover anything else, but of course, to do the cam bearings, or what I've been told, the complete motor has to come apart. Well, if the complete motor comes apart, why not get it clean? Why not get everything, all clearances checked, and go forward with new bearings everywhere. So we took it to the engine shop. I took everything up there. They checked out everything. We ended up going with new rod bearings, new piston rings, new main bearings. What else? The block was home. It didn't need to be decked, thank God. What else? There was a few more things that was done. But pretty much, my guy at the engine shop, they pretty much put it back together for me as well, and gave me a very good price. I don't know if the price was because of everything that's going on and business is just slow, but I have been dealing with these guys for about 10 years now, and they've always, pretty much looked out for me as far as my engine building is concerned. So pretty much when I get the motor back, all I have to do is install the heads, lifters, pretty much put the oil pan on, and everything else. But as far as this motor is concerned, man, I'm so excited. I was actually kind of relieved that I did find the cam bearings were shot before I installed the new cam, which is a Summit cam. I forgot the number on it. I'll pretty much put it in the description below. But it's pretty much a mild cam. It's like the biggest Summit cam you can go with without having to change anything, springs, converter, so on. But it will still need it tuned. But decided to go with that cam. Well, I decided to go with that cam because my guy Daryl, he's very cool guy. He's not really into racing and all that, and we want this, pretty much wanted to go with a setup that it will be easy as far as daily driving. It will tune out easy, and he can put this car on the road if he wants to, and so on. But nevertheless, where I'm at with the Regal is fuel system is completely installed. I'll do another video on that. Fuel system is installed. I'm still sorting out wiring because we're going to go with a remote start and alarm system as well. So I'm still working on all that. But right now, like I said, I'm on my way to pick up the motor. And I'm excited about that. The heads were done by these guys a few months ago. they're all painted and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is pick this motor up from the shop now. I'm gonna run a few errands, make sure I have everything I need, because I don't want to have to leave the house again. You know, this COVID-19 stuff is pretty crazy. You know, only time I have to come out the house is when I absolutely have to. But I'm gonna get the motor to the house, get it on the stand, go ahead, tape everything off, paint it, let it dry about a day or so, and then I'll probably tomorrow afternoon I'll go ahead and put it together and get it ready, get it prepped. But I am going to prep all my other parts for paint as well, because once I pretty much get in the groove for putting the motor in, man, I don't want anything to have to stop me. I don't want to have to stop and paint anything or make any store. I want to just go forward with it. But I'm going to pretty much cut this video out right here, and I should be pulling up to the engine shop in the next 15 minutes. So I'll probably, when I get there, shoot a few clips so you guys can see how it looks or whatnot. But I'll get back with you. I'll be with Rio. All right. There was a lot of stuff behind him.
Yeah, right now.
Wow. Okay, so that's extra parts right there.
That's something like that.
Wow, yeah, she came up real good.
A lot of people
LQ4 6.0 full rebuild. Yep, so trying to get her going, YouTube, man. It's been a long time coming. Seems like sometimes we invest so much on other people's projects, we begin to start to wish that they would become mine. But nevertheless, man, I'm gonna get it going. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing painted up, man, so I can allow it to dry. And yeah, I'll get back at you, YouTube. Boom.